Hello there and welcome to this week's update by Valet.io. I'm Valerio and I'm in charge of the WordPress updates here at Valet. With the release of WordPress 5.3, your website has some new features under the hood that may be causing a bit of frustration. We're talking about how WordPress handles big images. If your site requires the use of big and very high quality images, like a photographer website for example, WordPress might be scaling down your photos by default. There isn't a setting to turn this feature off in the admin, so feel free to reach out to hello@valet.io if you're frustrated on how your images look in your website. Jetpack had a vulnerability on versions 5.7.9 and you should update your site immediately, even if you follow a rule like we do here at Valet of no updates on a Friday. Jetpack is an extremely popular WordPress plugin that provides free security, performance, and site management features including site backups, secure logins, malware scanning, and brute force attack protection, and it's used by millions of sites. Make sure you update. Have a wonderful weekend!